What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibson here with another Recompense. Awesome overview. Going to go through Recompense. I know a lot of you have heard of it, and I know a lot of people haven't. So we're trying to reach the ones that haven't. We got great momentum right now. It's a lot of stuff coming out in this space. I just want to kind of let you know where we fit at in that slice of the pie because we're not about competition. We believe God has our own slice of the pie for us. So we're just trying to make sure we're advertised and we catch the slice of the pie that's ours. So it's a reward for your efforts and loss. We reward you for your efforts. What are your efforts here in Recompense? Join, bring in two people, and withdraw. That's it. That's your efforts. Join, bring in two people. Well, teach them how to bring in two people and withdraw. That's all we expect you to do. Everything else is done for you. You don't have to do anything else in here. All you have to do is join, bring two people, tell them to bring two people, and withdraw. That's it. That's how easily made it. And for your loss, we've been in this space. We've been in these high hips. We've been in so many businesses here, there, and everywhere where you lost tons and tons and tons of money. We're giving you a chance to try to recoup some of those with a $65 minimum. $65 minimum. Sign up fee for Recompense. All right, beautiful people. Let's go ahead and move through this slide. What is this program all about? Recompense was built to help those who have lost compensation over the years due to our economy and pandemic. Whichever way that you lost funds, we're here to try to help you recoup those. We're here to try to help you recruit those. You go through the rest of this. I don't want this to be too long, but I'll leave this up here and you can always pause it. That way I can be more respectful of your time and I'll let you use your time the way you want to use your time. Here's the potential outcome of our system: a new home, down payment for a home. We get enough people coming in and everybody does too and does their part and just keep telling two and telling two and telling two and telling two. If they do that correctly, we will be super set. Super set. I want to tell you that. Super duper set. Home, car, career, vacation, new business opportunities, stock market, invest in real estate. Anything that you want to do, you can do it. We just need everybody to put forth that effort. Recompense rewards plan, 2x2 company force. We pay per member per level. All right, I'm just going to run through this until it's all up. And then soon. Oh, okay. Reward round one. System will place members under you automatically without you referring anyone. So what happens is when you come in and you refer your two, by the time you refer your two, other people have came in. So you may come in and then these two people came from somebody else. You know what I'm saying? All six of these could come from somebody else. It might come from somebody from here. These could be six different people telling six different people. You never know where they're going to come from. You had to join early in the beginning in order to see your people, but your people are coming and you're getting a $10 referral fee that you're going to get, but you will probably not see your people. Now, I'm letting you know that up front, you will probably not see your people because everybody's helping everybody get through this matrix. You will receive rewards from the third member that lands on your board, which is right here because it's you. You got 1, 2, number 3. That $50 goes to you. The fourth and fifth member rewards are used for upgrades. So 4 and 5, you see that upgraded to the $100 board, and the $50 re-entry brings you back into the first board. And the product for these boards are ads, banners, credit repair. Everything that you need, we have to help you be a better you. That's the products for this business: ads, banners, credit repair. Great, awesome products for you to use. So the fourth and fifth member brings you into 50, brings you right back in. You only go through this round on newly purchased positions. So this is the first round just for the 50, 100, 200, 400 dollar boards. The $800 board, you get paid on all three levels because there's no more upgrades. No more upgrades, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful. And we're getting there now to those boards. So it's beautiful. 6-member reward is used for your entry. We got that. All right, let's go to the second cycle. This is your second cycle in forever. We're just gonna let it all come up slow so you can see it all come up. Boom! See all that paid to you? Boom. All right. So round 2 in infinity, system will place members under you automatically without you referring anyone. So remember, people are coming from everywhere. They're coming from everywhere. You may not see your people. You will receive rewards from the 3rd, 4th, and 5th members on this cycle because this is the second cycle in forever. So you'll receive rewards from all 3 of these because you don't need to upgrade because you're already in there. So all you got to do is re-entry. Re-entry. You don't need to upgrade to the next level because you're already in the next level from the first time. So that's all you got to do is worry about this now. The 6th member of your board rewards will be used for re-entry. Boom. It's just simple and plain right there for you. It doesn't take much to explain this. This is easy for everybody to do. Only thing you got to do is join, tell 2. Make sure you're 2, tell 2, and withdraw. That's it. We do everything else. Reward cycle 1. So pretty much this is a breakdown so you can kind of see what it looks like on the matrix and see the numbers to go together. So like we said already, we're not going to keep going over this over and over again. This is cycle 1. Those upgrade you. This one goes directly to you, and this one brings you back in the matrix. And this happens for the $50 board, the $100 board, $200 board, $400 board, and you get $2,400 on that $800 board because it's no upgrade. So it just comes straight back to you. Cycle 2 in forever. Second round in forever. It shows the 150 coming straight to you because there's no more upgrades, and the 50 putting you back in the $50 board. And it does the same. And it shows you that your 150 here, that's the $100 board brings you 300, $200 board brings you 600, $400 board brings you 1200, and the $800 board brings you 2400 over and over and over and over again because there's no upgrade. And once you hit this second cycle of forever, you'll get these forever. There will be no more cycle 1 because you don't need a cycle 1. Once you go through cycle 1 on these 4 boards, you go to this cycle, which is going to be forever. This board is always going to be the same. So it's going to pay you out big time the first time. You know what I'm saying? We're going to get it the first time. And by the time you hit all these, I mean, you'd have made way more. This is 4,600, 4,650, $4,650 as you add all these up. That's what you'll make. So this is a little chart breaking down everything we just went over. $65 to join, $10 goes to your sponsor, $5 admin fee, pay for fees and all that stuff like that. $50 paid per member. So this is what actually goes into the matrix. And it shows you each one what goes into the matrix. And the reentry, what comes for you to reentry, that's where the last payment goes to. And a one-time fee upgrade. It's 100 for this one, 200 for that one, 400 for this one, 800 to that one. There's no more upgrades, so you don't have to pay anything out. Then it goes over what you get paid again. And 2 times. You really could just have this up to explain it to people because you know they're going to come to the point where you need to explain it to people. You could just come here and tell them what you're paying for and what you get, and then you can go and show them the products because we do have products, physical products. Credit repair, which is one of the biggest things in the industry right now for everybody. And we have awesome PDF that can help you get to about an 800 credit score if you do everything the way you know you're supposed to do it. All right. 800. We talking about past 750. 750. You know what I'm saying? That's for chumps. We trying to go for 800. We going for 800 over here. All right, how to get started. Recompense, simply register with the person who invited you, deposit $65 using crypto wallet. Now we have more than just BUSC, BEP20. We have Bitcoin, Tron, BNB. We have USDT. We have so many different ways that you can actually deposit. But now you need to have a BUSD BSC wallet to withdraw to. So you need to go get you a MetaMask wallet, and we have videos all in the Telegram showing you how to do all that stuff. So you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. Once your transaction has been confirmed, back office updated, you may proceed to activate your position. After you deposit money, you got to come back and buy the position. And I'll show you in a minute. Once activated, you have the option to invite others to join the system. Please note there's no referral required to earn rewards in this program, but would be best to share with everyone because the more you share, the more likely you will grow faster. Yeah, so we need everybody to pretty much tell to, bring to. If everybody brings to, this thing will go on forever. It'll go on forever. But if people don't and want to sit here and just want to ask for stuff and want stuff without doing the work, which is a shame in mostly United States mentality, then it's not going to move as fast as it could. So if everybody does what they're supposed to do, we're good. They don't, it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? We'll move at the position of, everybody doing what they're supposed to do. How to withdraw. Once your balance withdrawal checks on it, enter the amount you would like to withdraw. Select BNB, which is going to be BUSD, BSC wallet. Enter your BUSD, BSC smart chain address, and then click withdraw. And then it'll come at 5% fee to cover any fees that come, because it's expensive to move crypto around. Expensive. So we got everything covered, so you don't have to worry about anything. Everything shown on this presentation is for illustration purposes. The possibilities are endless. With our effort, by sharing the amazing opportunity, we can have the ability to receive these rewards shown on this presentation. Rewards vary from member to member, as some will invite and others will not. This is something that's going to happen. This will bring different results per individual member. Also know by registering with our system, you agree that there are no refunds available from the point of depositing and activation. Any issue or questions, please contact admin in the contact page. Many blessings to you and our community. We are honored to have you on board. So that's the awesome, quick breakdown of Recompense. I'll do another one on the back office. That way I can put more videos out there so we have more circulation, because somebody might just want this. Somebody might just want the back office. So this one is just going to be the slides. And everybody who wants to just show people the slides, you have this right here for you to show with the owner presenting it to them. Recompense, a reward for your effort and loss. Please contact the person who showed you this video and get the link to join. If you got this video from Recompense, which is the admin, then you join the admin. If you got it from somebody else, then you join them. We really don't care who you join, as long as you join. And then you bring 2 people with you. Amen. All right, people, like, subscribe, rock that bell, join the team so you can get all the post notifications so you can stayed up with everything going on. Join the Telegram group, join everything we have so you can be plugged into Recompense and get your people plugged in. All right, people, God bless.